how to act normal and fit into the puzzle. Failure to follow these guidelines may result in social rejection. Non-conforming pieces will be removed. Rule 1. Shape your edges, no jagged pieces. No fidgeting, rocking, or excessive movement. Sit still. Smooth your edges or you won't lock into place. A piece that sticks out won't fit in. Rule 2. Align perfectly, no misplaced pieces. 3-second eye contact rule. Hold, glance away, repeat. Too much equals unsettling, too little equals suspicious. Misalignment distorts the whole picture. Rule 3. Stick to approved conversation shapes. Whether work or school, popular TV shows, your weird interests, keep them to yourself. Ask about them, shape the conversation to fit. Rule 4. Maintain emotional stability, no broken pieces. Stay neutral, no extreme emotions. Strong reactions disrupt the puzzle's harmony. Suppress as needed. A cracked piece gets discarded. Row 5. Blend your colors. Hide unmatched shades. Mask enthusiasm. Nod, smile, and say, "That's interesting." The puzzle isn't about you. It's about the bigger picture. Final warning. Follow the rules or be left behind. Masking is exhausting, but it works. Fit in or get discarded. The choice is yours. Be normal. Be a perfect piece.